If you've been around this channel for a while, you already know I don't jump on aftermarket accessories easily. When I recommend something, it's because I've used it myself and it earned its place in the car. So today we're doing the same thing, but this time for the Honda Civic. Sedan or hatchback, any trim level, these LasFit all-weather mats fit them all, and they fit them properly. Let's start with the basics. Here's what OEM mats do not do right. They barely reach under the driver's pedals, which is exactly where all the dirt, salt, and snow land. The footrest is left exposed too, so every winter that carpet just gets destroyed. Add the thin material and how they tend to shift over time, and you quickly realize the factory mats are more about appearance than real protection. That's why I switched to LasFit. So let's open the box. The mats do come wrapped in plastic bags, but removing them is quick and easy. No fighting with packaging, no layers of nonsense. First impression, these are noticeably heavier than the OEM set, and that weight actually matters. They don't feel flimsy or cheap. The TPE material is soft, grippy, and there is absolutely no rubber smell inside the car. Now, let's do the driver's mat first. Out of the box, it can look a little wavy and slightly out of shape. That's normal. Once you seat it into the floor, it starts adjusting to the contours almost immediately. It locks into the factory anchors, and LasFit even gives you closing caps for the locks, so everything is sealed and finished. Flip it over, and you'll see small rubber teeth underneath that bite into the carpet. Once it's in place, it simply does not move. And look at the coverage. It goes deep under the pedals and completely covers the footrest, the two areas Honda leaves exposed. Next, the front passenger mat. Drop it in, press along the edges, and it settles perfectly into the corners. No trimming, no sliding, no weird gaps for sand or water to sneak through. Now for the second row, and this is one of my favorite parts. Instead of two small separate pieces, LasFit uses one large liner that covers the left floor, the right floor, and the raised center tunnel in the middle. That hump kids always put their feet on. This is usually the dirtiest spot in the back seat, and here it's fully protected. Slide it in from one side, guide it across, tuck it under the front seats, done. Clean, seamless, door-to-door coverage. The second row actually looks cleaner and more finished than the OEM setup, not like an afterthought. Finally, the cargo liner. Whether you're driving the Civic sedan or hatchback, this mat is molded to match every curve of the trunk. Groceries, sports gear, bags of soil, melting ice cream, everything stays on the liner, not in your carpet. The textured surface keeps items from sliding, and cleanup is just a quick rinse with a hose. Once everything is installed, the Civic feels ready for real life. Winter, kids, road trips, all of it. At the end of the day, this isn't about looks or brand names. It's about protecting the interior you paid for. The OEM mats try, but they leave too many problem areas exposed. LasFit doesn't. It covers the spots that actually get dirty, stays locked in place, and makes cleanup effortless. These are just a few of the many things that make LasFit mats such a smart upgrade for your Civic. A full OEM setup for the Civic, front, rear, and cargo, will cost you right around $340. Meanwhile, LasFit offers the entire set with better protection and better materials for about $150 when you use my discount code HondaInsider. Less than half the price. Better coverage where it actually matters. That's just smart. I'll drop the link in the description. Take a look while the deal's still active. And your support truly helps keep this channel going, so thank you for that. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe so more Civic owners can find the channel.